Bangladesh, a land of vibrant colors, rich cultural heritage, and an emerging fashion scene that's gaining momentum on the global stage. Beyond the bustling markets and busy streets of Dhaka city, there's a hidden world of fashion icons waiting to be discovered. Get ready to be inspired by their creativity, passion, and dedication to their craft as we delve into the world of Bangladesh's fashion elite. These unsung heroes are shaping the country as unique style and making bold statements through their designs and personal style choices. But like any industry, it needs pioneers to pave the way. Meet the OGs of Bangladeshi fashion who have been instrumental in shaping the country's unique style. These influencers have a finger on the pulse of what's hot and what's not, and they're not afraid to experiment with bold new looks. But who are these enigmatic figures, and what are they doing to make the fashion world sit up and take notice? They're promoting local designers, showcasing traditional crafts, and helping to put Bangladeshi style on the map. They're promoting body positivity, challenging gender norms, and encouraging self-expression through fashion. They're proving that fashion is more than just a means of success. It's a powerful form of communication and a tool for social change. Their commitment to sustainability has not only won them accolades from environmental groups, but has also resonated with customers who are increasingly conscious of the products they buy. Designers are experimenting with recycled materials, reducing waste in their production process, and promoting a circular economy in fashion. It's a slow but steady movement, but it's a step in the right direction for creating a more sustainable and ethical fashion industry. Another brand making waves in the sustainable fashion space is Diplomat, known for their use of hand-woven fabrics and traditional craftsmanship. From the pioneering designers who laid the foundation to the fashion influencers who are pushing the boundaries and the sustainable fashion brands that are leading the way towards a greener future, may their creativity continue to inspire, and their dedication to their craft lead them to even greater heights. It's a powerful form of expression, a tool for social change, and a celebration of our shared humanity. So let's embrace the vibrant world of Bangladeshi fashion and be a part of its exciting events. Bangladesh has a fashion scene that is truly its own. By prioritizing eco-friendly materials and fair labor practices, they're setting an example for other Bangladeshi brands to follow. We hope you've enjoyed meeting the unsung heroes who are shaping the country's unique style. If you want to learn more about Bangladeshi culture and lifestyle, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you join our community of global citizens who are all passionate about exploring the world's diverse cultures. We look ahead to the future of Bangladeshi fashion. We see a bright horizon filled with potential. With increasing global recognition and support for local designers, the sky's the limit for Bangladeshi fashion. Through their social media channels, they're reaching a wider audience and inspiring a new generation of Bangladeshi. Despite the progress that has been made, there are still issues of inequality, unfair labor practices, and environmental degradation that need to be addressed. But it's through continued support for local designers, promotion of ethical and sustainable practices, and a commitment to innovation that Bangladesh can ensure that its fashion industry continues to thrive. Designers and brands are becoming more conscious of the environmental and social impact of their creations and are taking steps to minimize their footprint. They're breaking free from the confines of traditional fashion and experimenting with bold new looks that celebrate the diversity and richness of Bangladeshi culture. Her blog, The Style Island, is a go-to destination for fashion-forward Bangladeshis looking for the latest trends and styling tips. Then there's Saik, a fashion designer and stylist whose eclectic personal style and vintage flair have made her a cult figure in Bangladesh. She's known for her ability to mix and match traditional Bangladeshi elements with Western fashion, creating looks that are both unique and inspiring. With her exquisite hand-woven creations, she has showcased the beauty of traditional craftsmanship to international audiences. Another trailblazer is Kaiser Parvez, a pioneer of the leather industry in Bangladesh. Through his innovative designs and use of leather, he has elevated the humble hide into a symbol of Bangladeshi style. His work has not only put Bangladesh on the map as a leather hub, but has also earned him international acclaim. Join us on a journey to uncover the untold stories of Bangladesh's fashion mavens and find out how they remaking their mark on the industry. With an illustrious career spanning decades, he has dressed countless celebrities and socialites in his iconic creations. His mastery of draping and tailoring has made him a favorite among the elite. These pioneers, along with many others, have laid the foundation for Bangladesh's fashion renaissance. They've shown that it's possible to combine tradition and modernity, to blend cultural heritage with contemporary design sensibilities, and in doing so, they have inspired a new generation of Bangladeshi fashionistas to dream big and push the boundaries of creativity. When it comes to fashion, Bangladesh is a country that seems to have it all, from centuries-old artisanal traditions to a new wave of cutting-edge designers. One name that stands out is Rabia Bashir, a designer who has been instrumental in promoting Bangladeshi fashion on the global stage. Then there's Biamanen, a name synonymous with elegance and sophistication in Bangladeshi fashion. Now let's turn our attention to the fashion influencers of Bangladesh, the trendsetters who are shaping the country's style narrative through their unique sense of fashion and social media savvy. Take, for example, Tamu Muntasir, a fashion blogger whose infectious energy and playful style have earned her a massive following. These fashion influencers aren't just trendsetters, they are also brand ambassadors for Bangladeshi fashion. But it's not just about looking good. These fashion influencers are also using their platform to empower others. As we continue to explore the world of Bangladeshi fashion, we must also acknowledge the growing movement towards sustainable and ethical fashion. Take Irong, for example, a popular Bangladeshi brand that uses natural dyes and organic cotton in their clothing line. This growing consciousness is not just limited to a few brands. It's a trend that's catching on across the fashion industry in Bangladesh. As we wrap up our journey through the world of Bangladeshi fashion, let's take a moment to appreciate the vibrant tapestry that has been woven over the years. It's a scene that celebrates the country's rich cultural heritage, while embracing modern trends and challenging conventional norms. However, it's important to acknowledge that this journey has not been without its challenges. So let's raise a toast to the unsung heroes of Bangladeshi fashion, the designers, influencers, and brands that are making their mark on the world. And remember, fashion is more than just a means of self-adornment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Bangladeshi fashion. Until next time, keep being curious, keep traveling, and keep discovering the hidden gems of our beautiful planet. Thanks for watching this video.